Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the filling and tag, down, feather, foam, or synthetic, because each reacts differently to agitation. Once confirmed, fill a tub with warm water around 30-40 degrees C and add about 1/2 cup mild detergent to create a soapy bath. Next, remove pillow covers and spot test a small corner for color fastness. This prevents surprises. Now, submerge the pillow fully and press gently to let air escape. This starts the cleaning without shredding the fill. You now focus on cleaning the interior. Gently knead and squeeze the pillow for 5 to 10 minutes, working detergent through the fabric to lift oils and dust. This mechanical action replaces machine agitation. Once soapy water clears, drain and refill with clean water. Make sure to rinse repeatedly until water runs clear, because residual soap traps dirt and odors. After rinsing, press the pillow between your hands or against the tub to expel water. Do not twist or wring, since that can clump or damage the filling. You finish by drying correctly. Lay the pillow flat on a drying rack or clean towel in direct airflow or sunlight, and flip every few hours to ensure even drying. Sunlight helps disinfect and reduces odors. Periodically fluff and pat to break up clumps until the pillow feels fully dry inside. This prevents mildew. If you detect persistent odor or clumping once dry, repeat rinses to remove soap, or treat spots with a small amount of enzyme cleaner and rinse again. This solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.